Okay.
Okay.
Basically that your 30 minutes is up. So you have tried to do on your own for 30 minutes. You managed to do what, three questions, so about 10 minutes per questions. So let me see. Let go for the first what do you call it? Uh, Three question for the answer. Let me see. Okay. Let's share the slides. Okay. You see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Nampak sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Number one, plot the u of 2t minus 6. Okay, so this is actually your, u of, oh wait.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Tak ada apa. So this is actually u of t, which is a step function. Remember, when we use
Yes.
u means a step function. So u of t is basically that 0 for t less than 0 and 1 for t greater than 0 equal or greater than 0. So u is equal to 1. So this is the original signal. So if you look at this, you have to plot 2ut minus 6. So you have time shifting, and also you have scaling. Okay, here is scaling and here is time shifting. So the first step, you do the shifting first. You shift by 6 seconds. So if the sign is minus, so basically that you
Delay.
shift to the right.
Delay, sir.
Basically there is a delay of 6 seconds. So therefore, you shift the signal of a step function, so you get this. So you have ut minus 6. So the signal is 0 for t less than 6, and the signal is 1 for t is equal to 6 or greater than 6. Okay, you have this. Then the second step, you have to scale by 2 because you have 2t. So therefore, you have to scale by 2 when a, which is a is 2, is greater than 1, it will be compressed.
Yes.
So basically that you compress, you divide by 2. So 6 divided by 2 will be 3. So your signal is basically now is actually 0 t equal to for t less than 3, and 1 for t equal to 3 or greater than 3. Okay? So this is the second step. So this is the final answer for the first one. Easy, right? Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Dapat sir.
Dapat semua. Ada siapa yang tak dapat?
Ikuan kot.
Ikhwan. Semua dapat?
Dapat, sir.
Okay.
Hang saja, Aizan. Hang saja, kan.
Number 2.
Baru dapat sir.
Baru dapat. Okay. Number 2. So it looks complicated, but it's really easy actually. You are given a unit RAM. Basically, unit RAM is actually RT is equal to TUT. That is actually the definition for unit RAM for RT. Yesterday, last on Wednesday, I just mentioned that it's a RAM, just a slope line, right? So for So actually the formula is actually TUT. This is actually the formula for RT. Okay. So for a unit RAM, so basically that is TUT. So for 2UT is basically that is UT is a step function. And where it started at t equal to 0. And what is the amplitude?
2.
2. So basically this red line, this red graph is really 2UT. This one. The second one, UT minus 1. So it's a delay of 1 second. So this is the signal. Okay. This is a UT, basically 0 for 1 and 1 after 1 second. The second one is delay of 2 seconds, also a unit step function. So this is the graph.
Oh my god.
Because it's a minus sign, so basically the amplitude is
below.
negative.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then you have a ramp.
RAM.
So this is the ramp started at t equal to 3, a delay of 3 seconds. And the formula is TUT, so therefore at 4 seconds, the unit is at amplitude is at 1.
1.
Yeah, here is 1 at 4 seconds because it's T. The slope is T. And RT minus 4 is actually this ramp. Why is going slope down negative? Because of
negative sign.
Negative
sign. Then the last one is
unit step.
Step function at a delay of 5 seconds. So this is the line. And the amplitude is
negative 3.
Negative 3. Yeah. So you have this. So these are the individual function signal. Then you need to add all of them. When you add all of them, so basically this is the resulting function. The first one is the red one. Okay. Then after that, you add with the yellow one. You add with the yellow one. Then after that, you have
macam mana ni, sir?
Tak faham?
Macam mana ni, boy?
Macam mana dia jadi macam tu?
Macam mana warna kuning tu tiba-tiba amplitude 3, sir?
Amplitude 3 because it's combined with the first one.
Oh, 2+1 sir.
Yes. You see? So basically, from 1 second to 2 seconds is basically that is combination of the first signal and the second signal because the rest still you have 0. Okay. Then from 2 to 3 seconds is actually the combination of the first one, the second one, and the third one. You add. Then over here you add also because the fourth signal start to be non-zero. This ramp. Then after that, this one Y is flat, right?
Oh, itulah nak tanya awak tu.
Why? Because this ramp, you see, starting from here, one is going up, is one going down. So what happened? It cancel each other, right?
Cancel up. Yeah.
So because this slope is the same as this slope, but in a different direction. So therefore, the slope is equal to 0. So you get a flat one. Yeah. But the amplitude is still 3 because 2 plus 1 is 3.
2 plus 2.
3, and then minus this one, and also because of this one, this also another one because it's ramp up. So it has a value 1. So it becomes like that. Then the last one, minus 3. So this is the resultant signal. Okay. So this is actually you have a system with how many input? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 input. So it's a multiple input, single output. MISO. So multiple input, single output. So single output is FT. The input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 input. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Simple. Okay. This boleh buat?
Kepala pening ke? Pening.
Huh?
Pening.
Pening. Okay.
Pening.
Now.
Pening siang.
Okay. Now you have to plot the signal of y of t is equal to x minus 0.5t plus 1. So from here, you can see that you have a shift, okay? And you have a inversion, minus sign. Then you have a scaling. So you have 3 operations that you need to do. This is the original signal, okay? So the easiest one is actually you shift first. About how many? 1 second.
1 second delay.
No.
Oh my god.
Delay is
1 second advance.
yes, advance. So you shift 1 second advance. So it becomes like this. So this actually you shift. This one you shift the left. So you get this. Okay. Then you do the reversal.
Reverse,
How
yes.
to do the reversal?
Mirror at y axis.
Mirror at the
Y
vertical axis.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So you get this. So minus sign becomes positive on the time axis. -1 becomes 1. 2 becomes -2. But the amplitude is still the same. Okay, now after you reverse, then you have to scale by 0.5. So scaling of 0.5 basically that means that you expand.
Yes.
Okay. So 0.5.
6.
How much that you what is the magnitude that you need to expand if it's 0.5? You have to double because 1 over 0.5.
Yes.
So you have to double the time. So -2 becomes
-4.
4. 1 becomes 2.
2.
And 3 becomes
6.
So you stretch the function. And
Yeah.
0 remain at 0. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Clear sir.
Yeah. So the next one is still the original function is the same. So just now, anybody got it? 3A.
Yes.
Everybody
Got it, sir.
3A half, sir. Sampai
Half.
je.
Tambah juga. So 3B is easier. Okay, now from this you look at the function y of t is equal to x of 2t minus 2. So what do you have? You have a time shift and you have a
Scaling.
Do we have a reversal?
No.
No, because this is positive, okay?
Yes.
Because we are scaling by positive number. So the original signal, therefore, the easiest one, you shift first. If the sign is minus, basically you have a delay. So delay you shift to the right.
Right.
Okay. So you shift to the right by how many?
2.
2. By 2 seconds. So you get this shape. After that, you have to scale by 2. A is equal to 2. So A is greater than 1. So therefore, it has to be compressed. Have to be compressed. So compressed by how many? Divide by 2.
1/5. 1.5.
No,
Oh
by
my god.
0.5. By half.
By
So,
betul by half.
so 2 becomes
Bahagi
1.
kan?
3 becomes 1.5. And
Yeah.
5 becomes. So you scale the time, not the amplitude. Okay?
Betul.
Where do you scale? Where do you scale the amplitude? Which
Bila ada nombor kat depan tu.
dekat depan mana?
X,
Depan
X.
Y ke depan X?
Dekat X tu. Dekat X.
Ada sini. Bila ada kat sini. Okay, then you scale the amplitude. Just like this. Just like this. This is actually you scale the amplitude. This. Okay.
Okay, sir. Beres.
Clear?
Okay,
Clear.
Clear, sir.
So now it's 10 o'clock. So you can redo the what do you call it? For question number 1, 2, and 3, you make mistake, then you can submit to me through the email. Boleh?
Okey, sir. Sir, email tu apa, sir?
Boleh, sir.
Email, sir.
Email. Kamil
Ah,
u.my KAMIL.
Saya submit semua ke 1/3 je? 1/3.
Submit 1, 2, 3.
Okay, sir.
And tunjuk dekat mana you buat silap. And explain to me why you buat silap. Okay? Be honest with yourself. Be honest with yourself and explain where you made the mistake. Okay?
Baik, sir.
Okay.
sir.
So any other question?
You did hari ni
Bagi saya Monday lah.
Itulah.
Lah baru nak hantar
Masih
ini je.
Huh?
Tak boleh Isnin tu Isnin.
Yeah, basically this is tutorial. Basically, study you buat ni. Then after that, I've given you the solution. And you see where you went wrong. And now you write the correct answer and tell me where you made you made the mistake in the first when you solve.
Sir, kena
Why
tunjuk
you make
yang
mistake? Which
kita
part?
punya mistake lah. Kena tunjuk sekali kita punya mistake lah. Saya punya mistake.
Just mention to me lah where.
Tulis benda yang betul, lepas tu bagi tahu yang salah kan, sir? Boleh tak?
Just bagi tahu saya where you make the mistake.
Oh, buat macam nota kecil tepi tu lah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So that you remember. So that you remember where you make your mistake. Okay? So that bila ada quiz ke exam ke nanti you ingat lah. Okay?
Baik, sir.
Okay.
Baik.
So any other question? Tak ada.
Tak ada.
Ada question that we can stop here for today.
Sir dah sihat ke, sir?
Okay, sihat lagi ni. Okay.
Alright, beres.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.
So let me see. I will stop the recording if there is no question, and we see you next week. Online because all of you are still off campus. So see you on Wednesday. Right? Wednesday, what time? 11.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Not on 11. At 11 a.m. Okay. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. I'm going to
Salam, sir.
Waalaikumsalam.
Salam, sir.
Salam, sir.
Breakfast, sir.
Okay.
Selamat bersarapan.